Hi cutie, I'm call me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Before I already post the videos, it's talk about you put your work online. But some of people will put their work online and they have some problem. So that's why I made videos talk about those kind of things. Just like shouldn't we put the bad work online, or how to face the criticism and attack on the internet, or how to learn from others criticisms and advice from the internet. So if you didn't watch those videos, please you watch them first, and after that you watch this video, you will know what I talk about. I have a question. Have you seen someone put their work on the internet and they ask for help? Just like, can you give me the suggestions so that I will know how to modify my painting? Or can you give me some advice so that I will know how to improve my drawing skills, like that? But you don't know how to give them the advice and you don't know how to tell them how to modify their painting like that. Do you have the problem? If yes, please comment below and let me know what happened with you. And of course, this video will tell you how to give others advice so that people can improve their skill of drawing after you give them advice. And if it is the first time you watch my video, of course I have to tell you my channel is talking about the anime drawing and drawing tutorials. So if you are the person like to draw or you like comic animation like that, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell, so that if my new video release, you will get the reminder and learn the knowledge, the conception, the skills and techniques of drawing. Okay, so let's talk about this issue. Sometimes if we are boring, we will take a look at others' work and see, okay, I like this, like that. But if someone's ugly work that shock you, of course you will be angry and maybe you will reply like this: oh, I don't like this, and well, it's a bad work, oh, it's so ugly painting, like that. I know you are angry, but that's feedback, just like you beat the creator, right? Yes, you have your right to give them your criticisms, but they also have their right to draw the bad work or ugly painting. So I think we need to respect each other, and if you are willing to give them kind feedback, of course that is a good communication between you and the creators. So today I want to share the 4 opinions and ways with you about how to provide your advice to those creators. First, before you give the suggestions or advice to those creators, I think we have to understand who we are and respect each other. Sometimes I see some of cuties just give the suggestion like, the red hair is so bad, so ugly, change the color. Or you haven't finished this painting, why you put on here? Or draw a complete background. But you have to think, if one day your mother asks you like this: your room is so messy, clean up, I don't think you will feel good, right? Of course, to those creators, they don't want to accept your feedback like a command. So if you are willing to give them a kind of feedback, of course, they will feel good. And even they want to accept your suggestions or advice. Maybe it would be help them to change their work to be better and improve their skill of drawing. It's like that. Of course, that is the good thing to them and good thing to you, because maybe one day you will be friends. Second, some creators don't want to accept your advice or suggestions. I know you are so kind, that's why you want to help others and give them advice or suggestions to help them to improve their skills. But sometimes some of creators just don't want to accept your advice just because they want to make their painting by themselves. I know that feeling is so bad, because everyone don't like the feeling of being rejected. But I think you don't need to be angry at them or argue with them like that, because you have your right to give them advice or suggestions, but they also have their right to refuse to accept your kindness. So I think we just need to respect each other. It is okay if they don't want to accept, just let it go. You still can help others who need your advice and suggestions. Third, the creator just put their painting on the internet and ask for help. If like this, of course you just give them the advice and suggestions. Sometimes I see some of cuties just put their painting on the internet and they will ask for help like this. Please give me some suggestions so that I will know how to modify my painting. Or please give me some advice so that I will know how can I improve my skill of drawing like that. If you give them the advice or suggestion, it comes from your opinions or feeling or preference. You better tell them why you feel like this or why you like this style, so that they will know, oh, some of cuties just like this style, so maybe I can change the way to paint. Or they will know, I used the wrong way to draw, so that's why people feel like another feeling, but actually I want to make people feel like this. But if you want to give them the advice or suggestion is about the skill, of course you can give them the skills or techniques of drawing to help them to modify their painting. Or even you can give them the source or tutorials so that they can learn the skills or improve their drawing of skills from those class or those tutorials. 4. Give the praise and encouragement to the creators. Creation is only good or bad. There is no right or wrong about creation. People want to create something because of their reason or no reason. It is okay. Sometimes someone just draw an ugly painting. I know you don't want to give the praise or encouragement, but you have to think. They spend their time and their energy to create something and share to the world. That is a kind of courage. So if you are willing to give them the encouragement or praise, I think that will help them to be brave, and they will make the more good work and share to the world. So I think that is the good thing if you are willing to give the praise and encouragement to the creators. Okay, so that is the 4 ways and opinions I want to share with you about the provide the advice or suggestions. If you feel this video is really useful for you, please share to your friends who want to give the advice or suggestion to the creators on the internet. And please give me a thumb up. Next, I will make a video is about how to create a painting to be popular on the internet. So if you don't want to miss that video, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell, so that if my new video release, you will get the reminder. But maybe before I release that video, I will post the video like tutorials or something else first. But no matter what, I will make a video talk that issue. And if you have any problem, please comment below. So maybe in the future I will make a video reply your good question. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life. And I hope you can bring your color to others' life.